Hello, my name is Ken Sable, Business Development Manager for Pierce Manufacturing. Today we are here at FDIC on the show floor to do a walk around on our Enforcer heavy duty rescue pumper. This Enforcer is a model 7010 cab with a 10-inch raised roof to provide a little more clearance inside the crew cab area for firefighters. This truck is powered by a PACCAR 510 horsepower engine with an Allison transmission. With the, when you walk back to the crew cab area here, we have seating for 6 in this vehicle. The interior of the vehicle is smooth floors, ceilings, walls, and seats for easier cleaning. The truck is equipped with our side roll and frontal safety systems, and it has clear sky, so you can get the troubleshooting and find out vehicle information through the web portal. The pump house on this truck is our integrated Speedlays. The Speedlays and pump house have been shortened up to minimize the wheelbase that we have on the vehicle. The Speedlays are in trays and they're removable, and you can, for easier packing, once the trays come out, there's complete service access inside the pump house of this. We have our control zone operators panel here with color-coded gauges. Everything's organized. We have a hinged gauge panel to get in there for service access to be able to see it. This truck is equipped with a 1500 GPM water pump and our Husky 3 foam system. We have teamed up with Trident Emergency Products for the intake, valve intake. It's a hose mate. It has a swivel design, so when you hook up at the scene, it takes a twist out of line. So we're very excited to include this as part of the package of our fire suppression system. This vehicle is our 189-inch HDRP body. The usable depth in the compartments is 26 inches by full height compartment all the way around the truck. It's made from aluminum, but also available in stainless steel and multiple body lengths to kind of meet your needs. In this compartment here, we have a toolbox and we have some slide-out tool boards. This compartment, you really got to come check this out. We work with a local fire department and engineering teams to develop a fully transverse rear compartment. So all the equipment is accessible from both sides of the truck. When you look at it, we got a couple two-way slide-out trays that are in here. You can fill this with equipment and you can get at it from both sides. This adds 30 cubic feet of additional storage inside a vehicle that is already built for storage. Around the back side of the truck here, we have our easy access ladder to get up to the top of the vehicle with the landing up there to be as safe as possible when you're up on the top of the truck getting equipment out. We have long tool storage areas behind the spools of the truck for your pike pulls, your folding ladders, hard suction hose. The ladders on this vehicle are on a hydraulic ladder rack with a tucked in behind a nice soffit panel on the side, so it blends into the overall vehicle space. Again, like we were on the other side, this fully transverse compartment is really flexible and you can put lots of equipment in here. We got a pair of slide-out tool boards. Again, they're transverse. They can slide out either side of the truck and you can mount lots of equipment in here. Moving over to the over-the-wheels compartment, we have another swing-out tool board. Fender panels again, storage for 3 air bottle compartments like the other side in the front and rear. But as I mentioned before, this is completely flexible, but you can put in SCBAs, the oil dry hoppers that are slide out, and fire extinguishers. As always, the fender liners are removable to service the chassis components on all of our vehicles. In the front compartment here, we have equipped with little giant ladder on the bottom and shelves and trays to kind of outfit the truck as you see fit, but it's very flexible. You can do whatever you need here for that. Back to the pump house on the passenger side. This, as you can see, these panels are all removable for service access into the pump house as you're You know, as the truck ages and you need to do preventative maintenance or any kind of seal repair, this pump house, when you pull the access panels off of this side, you remove the trays and tilt the cab, there's complete service access inside that pump house. So it's very good for years to come. At Pierce, we know customers are faced with many challenges during the day, you know, to meet all the missions that you have. We feel this truck with our heavy-duty rescue pumper with a fully transverse rear compartment paired with our product line of custom chassis and our full line of fire suppression offerings will meet the needs and the missions of your fire department. Thanks for your time today and hope to see you down on the floor.